Hey y'all, welcome to the country where it's just another day in paradise. Let's see what's going on. We're taking another swarm today over by the school where I work. Looks like a pretty easy job. He's just gonna put those bees down in that box there. Just gonna go right down in there. Easy peasy.
It's not nearly as nice.
Yep. So he's got the queen down in the box in a queen keeper. It's kind of like a hair clip, so that he can get all those bees and they'll go right down to her, down into that box. And we'll feed them some sugar water and hopefully they'll start making some wax on those frames down in there, and she can start laying some eggs and get the hive going.